So open Microsoft Word in your Windows computer, and after that you must type like this 1D4B3. So 1D4B3. After typing that, you must press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time. Then you can see that the cursive capital S comes here, and if you type like this 1D4B4, and after that press Alt S, then you can see Y, and if you 1D4B5, after that you press this Alt key and S key, these two keys at the same time, then you can see that cursive is that we have created. So remember, after typing this shortcode, you must press these two keys at the same time for creating the cursive. Okay, once again I tell the code 1D4B3. So after typing 1D4B3, and after that if you press this key and S key, these two keys at the same time, you can see that X. Similarly for Y, you must use 1D4B4, and for Z cursive you must use this 1D4B5. For more videos, subscribe.